There is a character so fundamental to Chinese that it's often the very first one that learners encounter, and yet it's hiding a 3,000-year-old story about a mother and her child.
Ooh. Today we're going deep on how, where it came from, what it means, what happened when you say it differently, and by the end, I'm going to show you how to actually write it. Let's get into it.
How is a compound ideograph, meaning both parts contribute to the overall meaning. On the left is
女
woman, and on the right is
子
child.
The earliest dictionary to formally define it, 说文解字, gives the meaning simply as 美, beautiful. But the Oracle Bone script, 甲骨文, tells something more in detail. They show a woman facing a child, an image of closeness and warmth.
From that intimate original meaning, love between a mother and a child, the character expanded outwards to mean anything positive, beautiful, excellent, kind, or harmonious. Now, how has a lot of meanings, and if you look it up in the dictionary, the list can feel overwhelming. But here's the thing, you don't need to memorize all of them. The more Chinese you read, watch, and listen to, the more natural each usage will click into place. Today, we're going to walk you through the main ones so that when you encounter them in the wild, they will feel more familiar.
How, as a third tone, is doing a lot of work in modern Chinese. Let's break it down by function.
At its core, it means good.
好人, a good person.
It also means ready or have done something. For example, finished getting dressed.
穿好衣服,
Or it's done.
做好了.
Now we move on to intensifiers. If you put how in front of an adjective, it works out like so or really.
好多,
So many.
好大,
So big.
好久,
Such a long time.
好久不见.
Long time no see. And finally, there's a whole family of verb plus verb compounds that describe sensory pleasure. For example,
好看,
good looking,
好听,
pleasant to listen to,
好吃,
delicious,
好玩.
fun.
这个字好有趣.
This character is so interesting. One thing that catches learners off guard, how has a second reading.
好 meaning to love or to have a passion for something. 好学,
To love learning,
爱好.
a hobby, something you actively love doing. Same character, completely different meaning. Context and tone make all the difference. Right, Iona, now let's see you writing it on paper using your hand and the Skritter app.
好. So let's break down the characters. So we got two structure here, 女 and 子. And we could make it bigger here with two fingers so we can observe it. So we got 女 here on the left. So the first, we can write it like this. Do you notice the 女 on this here is slightly up and the 子 is slightly down? If you wrote it like this, it's going to look odd for a native speaker. So the key thing about writing this character is you need to make 女 a little bit high up with this stroke, and then when writing 子, make it lower. You can make it look natural. That's a secret. And 女 is not an easy character in Chinese character because it's an odd balance if you write it on its own. There's rare people can write 女 looks good. So don't be too stressed if you can't write it good. It's fine. Everyone has the same problem. So the next tip here is to try to write it quick. If you already practice in Skritter app for enough time, you can do it more naturally. So as a native speaker, we usually do this. Do this. And if you really want to be like really native speaker, like this. Okay. So my personal preference, I will make like this. Try to write it on your own. You can make your own style. But always remember, 女, this stroke should be more above, and 子, this one go below. You can have a perfect balance of it.
Okay, that's our deep dive on how, one of the most versatile characters you'll ever learn, and one that's been carrying meaning of love and goodness for thousands of years. If you'd like to try the Skritter app, use the links below to support the channel. And if you're liking this video, please
subscribe 订阅、按赞、分享、留言。
And we'll see you next time.
好，我们下次见，拜拜。
拜拜。